Hello to y'all again. Here I am another time. Like this is one of my newest projects, which is some sort of chat using integration between Python, between JSON, and between MQTT protocol. If you don't know what the MQTT protocol, it's basically a highway which sends something in a topic, and if you subscribe in the other side, you will receive the same message that was sent. It's basically some sort of communication stuff. Like you could use MQTT for IoT purposes like automation, house automation, like temperature sensors, light sensors, and responsive stuff like interrupters, buttons, windows. Like it spreads in so many possibilities that I can't even think about them right now. And then I'm using MQTT in this case to send messages between people connected in the same internet, in the same connection with Wi-Fi or LAN or whatever you could be connected with. Here we use Piho MQTT. We import these two functions, publish and subscribe, because publish we need publish to send the message and subscribe to receive the message. So these two are very important. We need to import Python MQTT client as well to make sure we have the communication setted before subscribing and publishing anything. We have the time to send our time and the day we are sending this message, because in the log we will need it. JSON, because we use JSON as a log. I will show the log in a few minutes. In a time, just wait. We have sys, so we use sysexit. We have OS, so send something in the terminal if we need, and we have platform to check if we are using Linux, if we are using Mac, or if we are using Windows. And I will explain the project structure right now. Here in our right side of the monitor, we have the log, which is a JSON file which stores all the messages we send one by one, and then we can transfer it to Python in a list. And with this list, we can basically use any sort of stuff. Here we have 14 or 15 messages. That is the maximum that I've set it. You could set more than 15. For example, you could set 25, 35. You can set up to whatever you want. But if the list is greater the list, greater will be the difficulty to the hardware to process it and to give you the response time that you want. 15 is some good number, I guess, because if this project is meant to be used in internal connections, like in a house, you will not send like this much messages. It's like meant to just send some advices or warnings, like son, collect the fucking clothes outside, it's about to rain. And then the boy will open the MQTT broker and see, damn, my mother sent me to collect the fucking clothes. I'm about to go. Okay, let's explain the project structure. We have here the variables that establish our connection with MQTT, our clock, our formatted clock, because we don't want to write the same code every time. Then we need to create this variable which gets this much text to return us the clock. We have empty list. We have here we have a trick, like we can't throw all that stuff in this dictionary into the terminal because it will return us some errors, because each system has each terminal clean method. Then we use checkOS with platform system to see what platform or what operational system the user is using. Because if he's using a Windows, the terminal will send CLS every time we want to call the function that clean the terminal. And if he's using Linux, we'll send clear to the Unix terminal to clean the terminal. And here it is our terminal cleaner, dev terminal cleaner. It will see the check OS, which is platform system, and it will get the list, the dictionary of systems. If check OS not in all OS, print cleaning method unrecognized or not nobody. And else it will just print our cleaning method. We have a recover log because in previous versions we could not recover the log. Then I had to create the recover log to get the old log. Like if yesterday I wrote some messages, like around 8 messages, and in the other day I tried to access this 8 old messages, I could not. The log just empties itself because of the logic that I created. And I will explain it in a time. Every time we enter log demand, which is the calling log, the callback of the log for us to see the previous messages, we get a warning, a message saying if you want to leave the log, write exit or write leave. And then we have a loop with while. We clean our terminal to not have like a bunch of stuff on it. And then we have with open PyChat log, which is the JSON file. We are about to read the log and we will print all of it. I will show you right now. Let me kill the terminal and clear it. Let's run the code. We have a username collection right there. I will put my username, PyCoach, and here are our time, our day, and our time, day, month, and time. Hello, PyCoach. Be welcome our PyChat at the PyChat PyCoach. Comments: chat, log, or leave. Write one of the comments listed above, and then I will put log. Here do we have the log, like it printed our +2 terminal kill, but I will correct it. I will kill this problem. I forgot the words. I will resolve it, I guess. I will solve the problem. It's just it just needs to use a try method, a treatment method. You want to leave? Yes, I want to leave. Write off one of the comments listed above. There is no comments right there, but I will solve it in a time. I'm back. I've solved the problem, and right now we have our solutions. Basically, what the codes do in the front end for the user. You can choose between seeing the log or seeing the chat, or even leave the program. And if you choose to see the log, it will display the older messages that the older users have written. And if you choose to see the chat, you will get a prompt to write what you want to write, and then you could see the chat after you write something. And I will show it to you all by code. YouTube chat. Let's write. That's it. Let's rock and stone. That's it. Let's rock and stone, and then it updates our data frame. We can send something again. Let's send Molly. Again, it updates the data frame. Basically, the code is a chat using MQTT and JSON. But how does the MQTT works? Basically, we have our topic, which is the PyChat vcode, and we have PyChat vcode right there. We have our host that's not relevant at all because everyone testing or debugging purposes uses test.mosquito.org. And our part, what does we do? I will solve it in the future, so don't look at it with bad eyes. Like we have onConnect, which is a function that every time we put our program to runs, it will connect with our topic and our net, our connection. The F1 Connect, which will receive our client, which is our username and password. It will get some flags, resolve conditions and properties. It isn't resolve conditions, but it's something similar. It will connect into the MQTT topic. We have def on message, which is a callback function that will show the messages we receive, and this callback is what show us the stuff when we receive other message. And I will show it right now. Like, let's kill the terminal and let's do it again. How do you want it to be called? No, not PyCode, vcode. And then I will put chat and I will send one message. This message will be subscribe. No, do not. Silly. Then we have right there in our right side the vcode sending subscribe. Do not actually. I will get my phone. Y'all cannot see my phone right now, and I will send a message using the MQTT broker called my MQTT, which you can download in Play Store and iOS Store, I guess, Apple Store. I will connect in the same network, in the same topic, and I will send a message. Y'all will see the message. PyChat vcode send a message called let's see, the message will be hello lads, and I will publish. This message do not have the date and the times preset, so it will be like raw string. Publish. Hello lads. Just look. Hello lads. The message just got it. I will erase the message and the comma. I will save I will leave the oh, I cannot leave. Yeah, I could leave. I will erase the log, and I will try to display the log normally. Yeah, without that message non-treated. I will do this message too. Let's do again, and then we have all messages treated as well. Basically, this is the program. I will push the code into the GitHub repository directory. Y'all could use the code as y'all want. I will not push. No, I will push in the read.me the location to install MQTT Explorer, which is the program I'm using right now, into the PC. I have a Linux notebook that I will use to do some tutorials as well. Probably I will post some tutorial in the future, and I guess that's it. So thanks for watching. I'm hoping I could improve this project. To be honest, I'm improving this project in this moment. I'm trying to do a class, a class-oriented programming, like with on-screen, because actually, if you are into the menu, the log could be set into your screen without your even you're staying on the chat or on the log. Like if you are just here idling into the menu is that screen. I will show like PyTorch. This is the menu screen, comments, and the comment. This is the menu. And if you are into this menu, you could receive the log at any time, even if you don't want to receive the log. So I will try to correct it and to make it to be more useful, I guess, more clean. I will make a flat application too, but we can talk about it in the future. And that's it, guys. I hope y'all like it, you enjoy it, because it is some of my progression work, I guess. I'm trying to progress as fast as I can, understanding everything everything I can, like classes. I'm trying to work with them because classes is something that I don't understand at all, but I will try to improve. I will try to do my best, and I hope y'all like it. So that's it. Thanks for watching.